everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of GetAssist.net where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials, and today's video is going to be about how you can add close friends on Instagram. So Instagram gives you an option to create a close friend list, alright, and whenever you want to hide your story from certain people or you just want to show your story to your close friends, you can choose that option as well. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video and see how you can create close friend list on Instagram. Alright, so let's start. First of all, you just have to open the Instagram app, and here simply tap your profile icon given at the bottom right. From here, use the three lines given at the top right, and here you will find the option that says closed friends. Now you have to tap on that, and here as you can see, I have already added one person as my close friend. So what happens is whenever you post any story on Instagram, Instagram gives you an option to share it to just your close friends. Alright. Also, whenever you create a close friends list on Instagram, Instagram will not send the notification to any of your friends, alright, that they have been added in a list and so, alright. So nobody is going to get any notification when you add them or remove them from your close friends list, alright. So what you need to do, you just have to use the search tab and just find for the person you want to add in your close friends list, alright. And just select the person that you want to add, simply press done, and whenever you are done adding all the close friends, you will see a blue tick given next to their name, alright. So now you have to press done again to exit this section, and the next time you will post a story. So let's post a story right now. Alright, so for example, that is the story that I want to post right now. So as you can see at the bottom, you will get two options. One is to press your story and it will be visible to all your followers on Instagram, and if you will choose close friends, only your close friends that you have added in that particular list will be able to see your story. Alright, so that's how close friends list works. Alright. Now if you want to remove any of your friends from close friends list, you can do that as well. To do that, you again have to go to the menu icon, and here you have to use the close friends option. Now here you will get the option to clear all the friends, to remove all the friends from your close friends list. Alright, you can press clear all, and apart from that, if you want to remove any of the particular person, you can also do that. Just simply tap on the blue check mark and this will remove them from your closed friends list. Press done and you are good to go. So that's how you can add people to closed friends list on Instagram. So that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. If you have any doubts, issues, queries, feedback or suggestions related to any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below, and for now I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.